Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by getting ready. Notice patterns in the classroom and practice small social moves at home. Say your name and one interesting fact, then smile. This gives kids a clear opening. Once done, rehearse turn-taking with 1 to 2 toy swaps so sharing becomes natural. Make sure to model calm body language and short questions because kindergartners respond to clear cues. These first steps set a predictable stage for approaching peers, and they reduce anxiety for both you and the children you want to befriend. Now you move from practice to action. Choose a simple opener and step into play gently. Invite participation, ask, "Can I play with you?" or comment about a toy, because showing interest sparks reciprocity. Once engaged, stay for 3 to 5 minutes to build trust, then leave briefly and return, making your presence familiar without being overpowering. Make sure to offer helpful, concrete actions like handing a crayon or cleaning up. These demonstrate cooperation and make adults notice positive behavior, which reinforces friendships. Finish by turning brief interactions into routines. Arrange snack buddies or reading pairs so connection deepens over time. Each day, greet classmates, give one small compliment, and ask a simple question. This repetition builds trust. If someone pulls away, pause and try another peer rather than forcing contact. Kids shift friendships quickly, so persistence with variety helps. If you notice bullying or repeated exclusion, tell a teacher calmly. Adults can adjust groupings or coach social steps, which solves many common roadblocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.